Welcome to the eDES demo, a solution for enterprise eSIM enablement. It's a solution built by G+D and Amdocs. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we can activate an iPad. On my screen you can see live iPad with my colleague Tobias in Munich. Myself is in Stockholm, and I'm going to play the role of the fleet manager. So, Tobias, maybe you can show us that your tablet has no subscription.
Yes, you can see my tablet on the screen on the left-hand side, so there's no loaded subscription yet. But what I already did, I have connected this tablet to the MDM service of AirWatch. You can see it in this item, device management. So it's connected to AirWatch.
Okay, and you can see the tablet is a standard Apple iOS 13 device that we got from the store. It's connected with Wi-Fi currently. And I'm now going to use the eDES service, which we have connected to the Orange DP Plus from G+D. And I'm playing the Fleet Manager here. I'm going into my Orange Enterprise login page, and I'm typing my user ID, admin, @Mars, which is the company I'm working for. I'll type my password. And I now get to see the offers that Orange can give my employees. And Tobias is a new employee sitting in Munich. He's going to be traveling a lot and doing a lot of sales there. So I like to give him the traveler's package that will suit him nicely. So I will now click on the traveling type of subscription order. I get to the screen where I can select different delivery mechanisms. Obviously, it's possible to order plastic SIM cards as well, but in this case, we're going to use the eSIM mechanism, and we're going to deliver straight to in this case, the AirWatch MDM service that Tobias has connected his device to. So it's already set to that, and I will click on Next. Now I can finalize. In this case, I'm going to do a manual order. It could be a batch or it could be another setup. In this case, I'm going to do a manual order. I know it's Tobias, and I know his employee ID. This is an important piece of information. This kind of information links the employee ID with the device, and the MDM can link the device with the order I place with Orange. And that will complete the linkage and therefore also allow the device to download a subscription that is prepared in real time. So now I'm going to finalize this order, and in this case we're actually going to push this notification to the device in real time. So it will happen very fast. If you check on the right hand side on Tobias' iPad, I will click now the order button on the Orange portal. And you can see here on the right hand side, it's already downloading the profile that came from the DP Plus. It's now activating the profile and attaching to the network. Tobias, do you want to say something more about the profile?
Yes, so the profile is will be installed, or is installed right now. I can show you the ICC ID. I will go to the settings menu and can show you the ICC ID. You can see it on the bottom. That it's an ICC ID of an Orange profile. So the iPad is now connected and will connect to the German network soon and can be used as a mobile device.
Thank you, Tobias. And now I'm going to show you another type of use case that could happen. Let's say Tobias is traveling now to Belgium. He's stationed in Munich, but he wants to come to Belgium, and he needs a temporary working profile that he uses in the office in Brussels. So now I will go into my portal again as a fleet manager. I type my password. And now I know that Tobias is going to be in Brussels for a while, so I'm going to give him the Belgium local optimized subscription as a temporary subscription. So order. I still want to deliver straight to his device, so I keep the settings for MDM. Then I put in his employee ID. And I will now ask the system to download an additional profile to be established. So keep an eye here to the right-hand side. You can see one profile at the moment. I press the download button now. You can see it's very fast. It's now downloading and activating a second profile. Which one? This one is Tobias' temporary one he will use while in Brussels. Tobias, do you want to show some ICC-ID?
Yes, I will. So now it's active. I can go. As you can see here, the other EID, ICC-ID. So you can.
This is 137, right?
137. Now I can show you how to switch. So I can switch now back to the first profile and show you the other ICC ID.
And this one is 145.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's finish the demonstration by showing that Tobias is now done in Brussels and goes back to Munich. Can you please delete the temporary profile, please? So now you can see it disappeared from the tablet and it's returned to the DP+, which can be in different ways reused, depends on the policy set by the operator. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and this was a quick eDES demo of an iPad activation using Orange DP+.